is. Yeah, there's a cabbage. Oh yeah, he's a happy boy. It's funny because all of this grass and stuff that's in his enclosure, the chickies would devour. They love this stuff, and for some reason he's just not interested. But there's no cover over here, and the eagles will get it. Their enclosure has bird netting up on top, so they're safer in there. He just knows how to hide. Kids are fighting, sorry. He knows how to hide in all these blackberries and stuff. He hangs out in that corner over there, and he hides under his little roof and in his house that we made him. When I say we, Carson did it. And he stays close to his girls over there, so he's super happy here. We can even leave the gate open and he doesn't try to get out. He's a nice boy. We're so lucky to have a nice rooster. Oh, flappy flap. More cabbage. Be interesting to see if the chickies eat it. Anyway, now we're gonna go pick apples, and I forget what was else on our list of farm chores, but stay tuned.